Greetings and good day. I hope you're doing great. I'm here with the daily analysis of WTI oil on March 25th. We're looking at the weekly time frame. In the past 2 weeks after the start of oil reserve releases by various countries, oil prices, after much volatility, finally closed in a downward trend. As we mentioned in previous analysis,
7 powerful volume trading indicators: footprint, volume profile, and fast scalp. Level up your trading.
the release of oil reserves can act as a temporary solution, and until we see an end to the tensions, oil prices won't drop significantly. And this week on Monday, after US President Mr. Trump announced the start of negotiations between Iran and the US, we saw a heavy price drop in WTI oil. By examining the daily time frame, we can see that after the start of conflicts in the Middle East, WTI oil prices, with over 67% growth, reached around $112.50. But now, after 25 days, it's trading around $87, which shows a 30% increase compared to before the war started. On Monday, we saw that immediately after Mr. Trump's message, WTI oil prices experienced a drop of more than 15% and then bounced back up. Now the price is fluctuating within the daily FBG range, and we can expect that by the end of this week, which is when Trump's 5-day ultimatum against attacking Iran's infrastructure ends, we'll see calm and downward conditions in oil. We're examining the 4-hour time frame. We can see that after the downward move on Monday, yesterday oil prices went up slightly, but after reaching the 4-hour FBG zone, it reacted to it and returned back down again. And now today we've also seen limited and downward price movement, and so far the price has recorded about a 1% drop. Currently, WTI oil is trading around $87, and given the hope for an end to the Iran-US war, we can expect this downward sentiment in oil to be maintained. We're on the 1-hour time frame. As mentioned, given the negative sentiment for oil prices, if we see the loss of the previous floor support around $84, we can expect a further drop in oil prices to the 4-hour and 1-hour order block range down to around $80. This is only possible if we continue to see a reduction in Middle East tensions and an increased likelihood of a ceasefire in the war between Iran and the US. At the moment, I still don't recommend trading oil, and if you do enter a trade, it's essential to observe maximum risk and capital management. Good luck and stay profitable.
Learn and enter the world of binary option with us. Binary option indicators: powerful strategies. Learn, trade, win. Level up your trading.